Hi, love. Welcome to day 4 of Rise of the Magnetic Woman. Before we begin, as always, I want to ask you, did you do the practice from day 3? Did you sit with your intuition and ask what you needed to hear? If not, I lovingly invite you to go back to it first. Because this is not a mental journey, it's an energetic transformation. Each day builds upon the last. Skipping ahead may feel tempting, but true magnetism requires presence and pacing. We are not doing this for content. We are doing this for change. And as I keep reminding you, manifestation is not about doing random rituals, chanting mantras, or journaling things you don't actually feel. It's about becoming the woman who naturally attracts what she desires. And today's practice is a huge part of that. What is the body's yes and no? So that is what we are going to cover today. Your body carries wisdom far beyond what your mind can process. It responds to people, decisions, situations, often before you have had time to think. Your body's yes feels like openness, expansion, a softening, a sense of peace or lightness. While your body's no feels like tightness, if you are sitting like this always, constriction, pressure in the chest or belly, heaviness or discomfort. You have probably felt all this before. You just didn't name it. Let me give you a few real world situations. Example, you are asked to attend an event or you say yes to a client, while your brain says you should, but your stomach tightens and you feel drained before you have even agreed. That's your body saying no. Another example, you think of an idea, a person, or a place, and your breath deepens, your posture shifts, and something feels right. That's your body saying yes. The body knows. It has always known. We have just been trained to override it in favor of logic, politeness, or fear of judgment. Now, why do we ignore the body? We override our body's voice when, one, we are afraid to disappoint people. Whether it's your husband, your mother-in-law, your parents, we are always afraid that we are not living up to their expectation of us. So we fear to disappoint. 2, we don't trust ourselves fully. When a client says no or a client doesn't trust you, it's not because they don't trust you, it's because you don't trust yourself. 3, we have been taught to always think rationally, never emotionally. So while we are using a lot of logic, we are thinking from the brain and actually disallowing our body to feel. 4, we fear being labeled too sensitive or too emotional. We are afraid of going deep with our emotions. So when you are disconnected from your body's yes and no, you second guess yourself. You tolerate too much and you lose your magnetism. Because magnetic women know that they always make clear choices. So now let's look into the day 4 practice. It's a small yes-no check-in. And let's do this together as always. Sit quietly with your hand on your heart and your womb. Breathe gently. Close your eyes. Imagine something small. It could be a simple saying yes to a walk in nature. Now, notice, does your body feel open or closed to this idea? How does it feel, light or tight? Now, imagine something you have been unsure about. Maybe it's a decision that you are putting off, or it's about a person. Notice how your body reacts. Finally, pick up your journal and write down. Today, my body said yes to, and whatever has come up for you. Also, today, my body said no to, and what came up for you. That's it. This practice done daily will rebuild your inner compass. And that compass is the foundation of all aligned manifestation. One more thing. Starting today, I want you to begin noticing which practices truly resonate with your body. To date, we have covered 4 practices. Over the coming weeks, we'll explore 4 to 5 powerful rituals, not just to try once, but to build into your daily rhythm. This isn't about doing something new every day for the rest of your life. It's about discovering the few things that shift your energy and making them part of who you are. Because manifestation is not about the effort, it's about alignment that lasts. You are not here to force your way through life. You are here to respond intuitively, wisely, sensually to what's meant for you. Remember, manifestation doesn't begin with the mind, it begins with the energy, with the embodiment, and with clarity. And when you anchor into your body's yes and no, you start choosing from alignment, not fear. If today's video stirred something in you, comment below with what your body said yes or no to. Like this video if it helped you, and share it with a woman who needs to start listening to her own truth. Tomorrow, we begin working with the voice of desire again, and what stops you from claiming what we want unapologetically. You are doing beautifully, my love. Keep showing up.